Hello guys, and again welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you on how to create a weblog using blogger.com. First, you must have a valid Gmail account. Okay. If you already have a Gmail account, and then you can sign in here, or first you need to access first blogger.com. Okay, blogger.com, and then you need to click sign in. You must have to sign in using your Gmail account. So in my case, I have my email here, and then a password. So you need to create a blogger profile first. Okay, since we are new to blogger and we are creating our first web blog, so we need to have a display name. So we will just going to name it blogger tutorial. Then continue. So this is now the control panel for our blogger, okay, or weblog. So since we were going to create a blog, so let's create a new blog. It's because we haven't created yet a new blog. Okay. So anyway, in your one email, you can host as much as 20 blogs or more. Okay. So create new blog. So you need to choose what title you want to create or you want to choose. Okay. So blogger, in this case we will going to name it blogger tutorial, and then we will give it a URL. Again, we will use blogger tutorial. I don't know if it is still available. Okay, sorry, this blog address is not available, so somebody have already got it, so you need to add. Yes, okay, it's not available, so we will going to rename it blog shoot. Still, it's not available, so let's look for another URL. So the blog address is available, okay, so we can use it. So create blog, and there it goes. Our blog has already been created, so we are now inside the blogger tutorial web blog. Okay, if you want to create another blog, and then you can click this new blog and then follow the steps we follow a while ago. Okay, so you can now customize your weblog through your layout, or you can update your theme, you can create a new post, or here you can add pages and also the settings. And here you can monitor the statistics if someone have already visited this one, or the comments. Okay, here you can remove comments, delete, or approve. So in our next video, I am going to show you on how to update or place the theme on your weblog. Okay, so thank you for watching and enjoy learning, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.